Got a 2024 Honda HRV remote here, and we're going to open it up to replace the battery. So the first step is going to be to remove the emergency key out of the bottom. There's a button right here on the right side that we're going to push, and then we can pull the emergency key out. Now we're going to turn the remote over like this, and there's going to be a spot in here that we're going to use to split the remote open. All right, there's just a little bitty slot. Let's see if I can get this on camera, and it's going to be right here. Okay, then we're going to put a flathead screwdriver. When we get it on here, it's not very deep or anything, it's very shallow. We're going to put the remote on here, put the screwdriver in here, and then we're just going to turn. Okay, turn clockwise once we have it in there, and once we turn clockwise, it should open the remote up. Okay, just like that. And I'll show you where that spot is again. That spot is like right. I'll go ahead and open this up and I'll show you. Put our hand on it like this. It's right here. Okay. Here's our battery. We're just going to pull it out with the screwdriver. And I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery size is going to be a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing us. Now you're going to want to hold this remote like I'm holding it here. Just keep your thumb on it, because all this can come out and the little buttons can come out, and we don't want them falling out and losing them and stuff. But you're going to put it in the top first and then push it in like that. All right, and then you get the other half and close it up like this. Now these guys are a little tricky, or they're a little stubborn as far as going back together. You squeeze them pretty hard to get them to click all the way back together. Okay, so you're gonna make sure you got it. Open this one back up again. Start over here. Start at the bottom side. Let's see here. There we go. There we go. It can be a little tricky. Emergency key goes in and you're done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you'd hit that like button and leave me a comment.